Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can create Minecraft account on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, you'll have to open any kind of a web browser. I'm going to go with Safari. And from here, you'll need to get the search bar and simply type www.minecraft.net. After doing that, you can search for it and we'll get to this web browser of Minecraft. So after doing that, tap on this menu bar right here. Then tap on account. So after doing that, tap on create account. And we'll get to this particular page right here where you'll have to now write down your email address of your Microsoft account. So after entering the email address of your Microsoft account, you have to simply tap on next. Here you can see it says that I already have my Microsoft account. So all I have to do is tap on sign in. So after doing that, in order to get verified, you'll need to write down the 6-digit code. So tap on send code. Then you'll get the code on your email address. Just like this, here you can see I am currently entering my code and I have entered my code. In here you can see it is now setting up my passkey. Here you can see it says that they couldn't create your passkey because I denied that option. So if you want to create your passkey, you can tap on continue and go with your passkey. So for now, I'm going to tap on cancel, or you can tap on try again and try to create your passkey if you want. Here you can see it says stay signed in. If you want to stay signed into your Microsoft account, simply tap on yes, or you can simply tap on no. So after doing that, here you can see this is how you'll appear is given. That means that this will be your username of your Minecraft account. So if you want to write your own username here, you'll have to tap on this edit button right here. And then from here, you can now change your username, or here you can see different profile pictures. Here you can even select these kind of profile pictures right here. I'm going to go with this for now, and you can tap on save and continue. So after tapping on save and continue, here you can see we have now successfully created ourselves Minecraft account. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.